Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Lyft Driver app for weekly bonus strategies, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Lyft Driver app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Lyft Driver and press search. Look for the app that is identified as Lyft Driver. Tap on the app icon to view more details. Check the app description and ratings to ensure it's the correct app. Once confirmed, tap the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, find the Lyft Driver app on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. You will be prompted to log in or create a new account. If you are a new driver, select the option to sign up. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your personal details and driving information. Once you complete the sign-up process, familiarize yourself with the app's interface. Take note of the weekly bonus strategies available in the driver section. Make sure to check your earnings and bonus opportunities regularly. Explore any resources or FAQs provided within the app for further information. You are now ready to start driving and earning extra bonuses with Lyft. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.